How to drop a pin in Apple Maps. Very easy to do. So what you want to do is go and open up Apple Maps, pick a location. So I'm here in Philadelphia. So what I'm going to do is zoom in. It's important to know not to accidentally click on a location because you'll get the location's spot there. You want to pin a place that you're specifically at. So what we can do is make sure that you zoom down as close as you can. And I'm just going to pick a location here. So what you're going to do is click and hold. And that's going to automatically drop a pin where you had it. And you're going to get some information here. So it's going to give you the location. It'll give you a live view of it if you want to go on the actual street and see what the location looks like. You'll get all the details that you want. To share a location, you'll see the share button at the top right-hand corner here of the information. You can share this in a text message, in an email, anything that you really want to. And what you can do, if you want to add it to your maps, you can go ahead and do that as well. Go ahead and do the directions here. And to delete this pin, all you have to do is go down to the bottom where all of your information is and hit remove. And that way that pin is taken out, just in case you want to change it. So I can just go somewhere else, click and hold once again, and it'll drop a new pin, and you can share that pin or add it to your maps. It's real easy to do, very simple, and it's a good way to share your specific locations to people.